Are you going to have to take this out?
Maybe you got
Right?
That would be good. Yeah.
Does she need to? You need to take your glasses off too.
Very, very good. Okay.
You got it? Say something.
Are you videotaping? You do?
It's a practice.
Say something.
I don't know what to say.
Just say, hey, maybe for my show.
Wow.
Say, love you, Mom. I love my mom. And Dad.
I love my mom and dad. I don't know.
Uh-oh. A low battery.
Just, you know, pray God take care of that baby.
Oh, sorry.
Right?
Yeah. Sorry.
Are you getting sleepless?
So you can look silly like the rest of us.
Very fine.
There you go.
Oh boy, Mom's got the camera.
She instructed me.
Hey YouTube, so I'm back home from the hospital after my surgery, and my throat still really hurts, so the only reason I'm able to talk right now is because of my medicine, and I'll show you what it is. My mom's going to bring it soon. So, my YouTube.
Oh, you're going great. Doesn't that medicine make her crazy?
Vlogging. So it's this hydrocodone acetaminophen stuff. It tastes like cherry, and I don't know. I was worried about taking it because I heard it can make you like nauseous and throw up, and I'm not all about that life. So, I mean, it's working because when I got home, I could barely like eat or swallow. Not when I got home, when I got in the car and I was coming home, I could barely eat or swallow, and I was like miserable. So, this is working pretty well. I'm glad I had that. When I was at the hospital, they gave me this cute little Hello Kitty pillow, and everyone was there. It was like really nice, so that was cute. And I have this doll that I've had since I was 3 right here. Her head is falling off, and I was being wheeled out of the hospital, and I was carrying my doll. Her name's Harley, and the nurse that was wheeling me out was like, "Oh, I feel so bad," so she gave her one of the baby blankets that they give the babies at the hospital when they're born, so I thought that was cute. I got this thing from my friend Lisa that I can write on when I don't feel like talking. That's what I was doing when I first got home. It's like some kind of LED, but like, I'll show you. If I write on it, it like does that, and then you can press this button right here, and it just erases. I also got a humidifier over here. That's supposed to help keeping my throat moist so that I won't wake up like dying. It was nice. My parents got me to get better cards, and my friend Lisa, who gave me that thing, she got me a card. She gave it to me yesterday because my parents took me and her out to dinner so I could have my one last solid meal for 2 weeks. Because all I ate today was mashed potatoes, and I can hardly eat that because it feels like it's like getting stuck in my throat, and it's gross. It hurts to swallow a lot of stuff. So right now, all I've been doing is I have this water, and I set a timer for like every 15 minutes to drink water, so it goes off, and I just drink like ice cold water. And I've been, I get popsicles. I'll get like 2 popsicles and put them in a mug and put them in the microwave for about like 10 to 15 seconds so that they like crush down to like Slurpee consistency, and I eat that. I was told not to use a straw if I didn't have to because straw can put like strain on your throat and make it worse. So there's that. But yeah, I'm going to show you these presents my mom got me. She got me this cute little bag of Get Love gifts. So she bought me new soap because I love this soap, so when I take a shower I can smell like the ocean. And she bought me this toothbrush that you can like decorate. I think that's cute for my creative self. These are all my cards I got from like my dad and my mom, and this one's from Lisa. My mom got me this friendship bracelet making thing, so I'm not bored. I can like make friendship bracelets, and she got me this Beyonce magazine, so I will be reading this most definitely. And she got me this, which I've been wanting for a while. I kept seeing this at stores, and I was like, oh, I need the Wizard of Oz thing. She got me a new sketchbook because, like I said, I'm moving at my dad's house, so I packed up all my sketchbooks and art supplies and stuff. And I was like leaving my dad's house this morning, and I was like, oh man, I wish I didn't pack up my sketchbooks, but surprise, I came home to see I got a new sketchbook along with these neon pencil so I can draw, and I got some big box of colored pencils, and I think there's another sketchbook in here. So that was really nice because I have cute parents. My mom's making me some pasta right now, see if that's better for me to eat than mashed potatoes, because like I said, the mashed potatoes are like sticking and it's making it burn to like eat. Also with this medicine too, if anyone was wondering, it kind of, when you take it, it doesn't burn your throat, but it feels like, I don't know if anyone's had like chloroseptic before, it feels like that, it's like numbing at first, and then it kind of does some weird sensation, and when I was taking it, I thought I was gonna like throw up at first, but it's just, I guess it's strong. It makes me feel like I'm on heroin or something, like, I don't know, I can't walk straight, so I just look like I'm drunk, so that's why I'm laying here on the couch chair thing for right now. So I'm just trying to stay ahead of the pain with the medicine right now. You take it like every 4 hours, so I have like alarms set for that, so I can make sure I'm taking it. And I have alarm set for drinking water. And yeah, I have a bunch of pictures my mom took of me when I'm in the recovery room, and I just look disgusting. I look so stupid because that anesthesia was wearing off, and I don't know, it was weird. I expected to be in a lot more pain than what I was, but I think what's keeping it down is the medicine. So this is a good medicine, I think. I'm glad. I just take 10 to 20 milliliters. I mean 15 to 20. I just took 15. My alarm went off for water, so it cut off the vlog, but yeah, it still hurts to swallow. So my mind is like, I haven't swallowed a lot of stuff, like, you know, when you like naturally like swallow like in normal human being life. I only like swallow water and like food that I need to swallow, so I'm trying to eat as much as I can so I don't like get sicker or anything. So hopefully, I heard the first 3 days are the easiest, and around like day 5 it gets bad, so hopefully it's not too bad. I'm going to stay on this medication, and right now I'm going to rest my voice because it kind of hurts. And yeah, it's on the couch with my mom watching SpongeBob. So yeah, and I'll get back to everyone later, but so far, having a tonsillectomy as a 17-year-old like teenager, it's going well. I was worried about it before because they always tell you like, oh, it's better when you're a kid, and I had my adenoids out when I was little. I don't know why they didn't just take out my tonsils then. That would have made life a lot easier. But it's fine. This, you know, I'm so far recovering fine. So hopefully the 5th day won't get too bad, and I can sleep. I slept so much in the car. I was like in and out of consciousness because this stuff, the codeine or something I looked it up, has like codeine, like morphine in it, which I think morphine is in heroin. It just makes me feel so like blah, like I feel so heavy and I'm shaking because of it, and I mean it's not bad, it's making my throat feel better, but it's just I feel so like I'm on some different planet or something. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go rest, watch some musicals. This whole entire case is filled up with just musicals. I think I'm gonna watch Rent tonight, even though my mom doesn't like it. So yeah, she just said ill. And so I either watch Rent or Chicago. And I don't know, we'll see. I was listening to Rent on the way to the hospital, so I'm kind of in a Rent mindset. But yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later, give you updates on how everything's going. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to sleep now. Bye.